I think for income qualified customers, there's so many programs that are available from our utilities that try and make energy more affordable to help fix problems with arrearage. There are so many programs that can actually help with maintenance of their appliances. So we have this fundamental discovery problem of how do we let people know that programs are available to them, that there are actually ways that the utility is trying to help. And so one of the ways that Bidgely looks at this is helping identify the people who are going to benefit the most from the programs that are available. That starts, obviously, with segmentation and targeting, is looking both at the terms of each particular program. So whether it's a weatherization-focused program, well, that's going to be great for those customers that maybe have inefficient HVAC or inefficient appliances. Maybe this is actually just purely an income qualified scenario, in which case understanding not at a zip code level, not at a census block level, but premise by premise, who is actually going to be the best recipient for this particular program and the best leads to either work with the implementer that you're working with on this program or to run it yourself internally as a utility. Once you have those people identified, the best candidates to reach out to help with education, to help with enrollment, you then start talking about what customer experience do we need to craft for them? How do we help with education on those programs, rate and recommend, and importantly, help them understand the benefits of how much this is going to help me save, what rebates are available to me. Obviously, all of the segmentation and targeting and all of the education that comes in, you then want to measure it. How effective am I being? Is my messaging working? Am I connecting with the right customers? Are they opening the emails? Are they reading the SMS? Are they responding? Are they unsubscribing? So that you can help craft and shape the message that's going to connect with them even better. And that feeds all the way back to the beginning, is how can I take those learning, that measurement and verification, and use that to help shape what happens next with my program. So the way that Bidgely looks at it is we have a suite of products. It's not one product and one component. It's really how we can help you solve holistically, understanding your customer base and then engaging with them in a really powerful and meaningful way so that your program works, that help can help.